How to fix Apple Pay not working on your iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, don't worry. This video is right for you, as we have brought you some tips and tricks on how you can do it. Firstly, all you have to do is go and tap on your settings. As you tap in your settings, scroll down on your screen and find the option called General. Tap on it. Now tap on the option called Software Update to make sure that you are updated up to date. As you can see, I am updated with my software, so I don't have to update my software. Now you can go back to your settings and scroll down on your screen and tap on Reset or Transfer iPhone. Once you tap on it, tap on Reset and tap on Reset All Settings, which will refresh all of your settings by resetting it. Once you're done with it, you can also go back and restart your phone by tapping on Shutdown. Once you do it, it will also restart all of your functions of your phone. And maybe with the help of it, the Apple Pay might start working now. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.